This RE/MAX Select Property video is presented by Tracy Whisnant. Beautiful 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath townhouse in city of Shelby. Great location with easy access to dining, shopping, parks/trails, medical, etc. This is an end unit, kitchen, dining, living room, laundry and half bath on main level, storage closet under stairs. Upper level has 2 bedrooms, has a deck off the primary bedroom, concrete patio in back with storage closet, community swimming pool and parking spaces in front. Call today to schedule your showing. For more information, review the details below or contact Tracy Whisnant at 704-487-7653.